this is what I found out the recent problem I'm having with the Birds Empire and Tom Birds. I'm not getting this problem with the Starbird birds, but I'm not earning enough stars. I didn't really spend any money on that game, so it's giving, see, the silver and the gold. Once I do the exchange, they're giving me like very minimal gold. So I send this message to the support of Tom Birds. So this is the message. So here's the answer they gave me. They say, "Hello, thank you for your question. We understand the exchange of the eggs into silver and gold may raise some question. The exchange rate of the game is not fixed and may change. This is part of our project's internal economy, which operates automatically and depends on the current in-game condition and players' activity. The mechanism allows us to maintain balance between players, ensure stable payouts, take overall in-game activity into the account. The more active you are purchasing silver, increasing the number of birds, the more favorable the condition and become for you in the system. If you have any additional system, we're always happy to help." So that's the answer they gave. So let me get there's this video on the, let me turn off the tongue bird. So let's do the play game. So let me show you the video of this Birds Empire. Actually, they're all
Birds Empire. It's all very simple. You buy birds, they lay eggs. You sell the eggs and get real money. To begin, open the shop and buy your first bird. The baby bird will right away start laying eggs. All eggs are collected for you in the warehouse. When you sell eggs, you get rewards. Gold, real money you can withdraw. Silver, to spend inside the game. The split is always 50-50. With silver, you can buy more birds and make your warehouse bigger. Gold is available for withdrawal to your wallet. Choose a method and request a payout. Need more silver? Open the shop and choose the best way to buy it. You can also get silver by doing tasks. It's a free and easy way to grow your income. And when you invite friends, you earn even more. 1,000 silver for each new player. Plus up to 12% cash back in gold from all their deposits. Ready to withdraw immediately. Good luck and enjoy the game.
So that's their introduction video for the Birds Empire. So that was like a very beginning when there's no the birds packet, no none of that stuff. So here I'm going to show you is the one of the sell. See my sell? Sell. See, they only give me a tiny bit of gold and a lot of silver. So apparently they want me to, the exchange rate used to be let me show you where it is. Game. Where's the shop? I'll show you. The eggs is used to be 50-50, so is every 1,000 the eggs you get 5 the gold and 5 silver. For some reason it's not giving that amount anymore, but they said it's pretty normal. But see, this is it. So see. The gold is only a tiny bit. So let's do I'm gonna do it. Try to exchange my gold to silver. Okay, hopefully that will help a little bit. 90,000 K. Okay, so it's having that problem. The sell is still giving me that. It's still giving. It's both the silver and the gold is supposed to be the same. So that's the issue with the game. I'm not sure if I made a purchase, this will alleviate the situation. But I noticed this problem since March 19th. So that's the problem with this game. So I'm not sure what's the exchange ratio for the game now is. They don't list it in the. See, does it show in the information? That's the language. Okay, that's different languages. So let's try to figure it out. Okay. I'm not sure what's going on. So see, here's the birds pack, and here's the, if you buy silver, see, is a silver pack going on? Not sure. Buy more silver. Okay, it's not showing anything on the game. So let's see. It's not showing anything in particular. So since they're making the adjustment, I don't even know the percentage anymore. So let's see, birds news. See birds. Let's do the news channel. See if they have anything. So it says on March 18th they. If you top your balance, you get up to 2,000%. See, that's the bonus. It's a limit percentage. So I'm not sure how long that bonus is gonna last. Okay, it looks like the bonus is not available anymore. Usually when the bonus is like really limited time only, so. So let's check the percentage. So it looks like it's about, the gold is only tiny bit amount compared to like if it's 300, so you only get it's less than 10%, so it's probably like 5%. So it looks like the gold is 5% of the silver. So I'll adjust the worksheet. Yeah, it looks like it's 5% of that. So you know, so it says 1,000 egg equal 1 coin. So I think they adjust the amount. So I'm not even sure 1,000 egg equals 1 coin. What does that mean? They're still paying out. It's just originally my payout. I can pay out much sooner. That would increase my gold, increase much quicker. But now the gold is just increased very slowly. They're still paying out, but it's just that this rate is decreasing amount. So it's like they're forcing you to do more silver stuff. So, okay, so that's how the game works. I'll post the information up. So this is see, let me see it's the same thing with the Starbirds. See if it does the same thing. Let's see, it's the game. Play game. Let's see if that's the issue. I notice it's the same thing with ton birds and also start like a Birds Empire. See if it gives the same thing. Okay, this one is not an issue. See, 8 silver and 8 gold. So it's the same. It still says 181 coins. So this is like 15 coins, right? So they're divided by half, okay, each. So let's do that exchange. Okay. So here I'm gonna show you for like these games. They have what they have is you can buy the birds to get you produce more eggs, okay, and then do the task, and then you can earn silver there. I'm showing my birds that I unlock. Okay, so here, you see, it's not really one-on-one. See, yeah. I'm gonna figure out the percentage of the payout for that. It's giving me the same thing for Tons Bird and the Birds Empire. So they readjust the gold and silver. So here, see, that's the roulette wheel. So spin, and then the smallest price is that. So for that, you lost like 900 silver. But like the biggest one is the jackpot. If you got the jackpot, you win this amount of silver. Okay, so that's how this game works. See, it goes, jackpot is the highest price, and the next highest price is the times 100. So if it's based on the 1,000 silver, this betting, so the second highest price is 100,000. So you get 100,000 from this. You can change this amount too. On that one, lose 500 silver. So, and then the game here is the prize roulette. So the least amount of bet is 5,000 silver and goes up to 1,000 silver. Okay, so those are the prizes, potential prizes, and then the higher the bet is usually the like higher the amount. So these two people, because the lease amount is 5,000 K, so these two people, they lost like 2,500 K, but this one, if assuming this, right? Now, so technically they won like 5,000 more of silver worth of baby birds. So that's how that works. I'm not even sure what these two blue bag stuff means. I don't know what those are. So, but I'm gonna try it on the Birds Empire. See what those things are. Yeah, it's about 5%. I mean, I'm gonna adjust the like the thing. It kind of sucks. So, okay. Okay, plus 900 silver there. Let's do the prize roulette. So I don't know what these things are. So those are the potential prizes. This is a spin. Oh, that one's a loss. So technically lost 3,000 and 25 silver. Okay. So that sucks. Oh, I'll update the worksheet on this and see. Until they fix the ratio, it's going to be really hard to cash out the game, because they used to have like a they divide it by half. So if it says the withdrawal, right? It says technically like the sell, right? It says 1,000 egg, 1 coin. So technically it's 200 eggs, 2 coins. So 1 coin will be going to the silver and 1 coin will be going to the gold. But that's not how it's going right now. You're getting like the amount of silver, you're getting only 5% of it in gold. So the amount you earn trying to get the cash out is it diminished a lot in this game. So, but you still can earn silver and purchase the in-game purchase. That part is still valid. So, okay. For this, so that's the latest update for the Birds Empire. So I highlighted in yellow on that part on the Google spreadsheet, and notice that's this problem. So it's because I didn't purchase it, the Starbirds, it seems like it's not effective, but I didn't purchase anything on that too. But so far, I didn't spend money on this account. See, it's only baby birds. I only have, like, if I earn enough silver, I purchased, already made like 2 purchases of baby birds. Then the beginning of the game, through doing the test, I earned another like 1,050 of the 250 of the additional silver, and I just for this I just keep on selling and keep collecting, and I already like earn additional like 1,000 silver. So right now I have 3,000 silver. I didn't spend money on this account, so apparently this part isn't affected. So I'm not sure how it will work. I'm not sure if anybody who's using the Birds Empire and if their account is being affected on this. So I'll adjust the file so you guys will know what's the actual earning on the Birds Empire based on the new adjustment. So you guys can have the more accurate assessment on the rate of the returns on this product.